Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In last video, we have talked about composite function, if you remember. So under composite function, we have covered total 13 formulas and then we have solved many examples related to that. In today's video, we are going to proceed, we are going to learn rule number 1 related to the derivatives, or we can say that the differentiation. So what is basically rule number 1? If u and v are differentiable function of x such that if the given function is in this format. What is the format? If y is equal to u dot v, that is u into v. This is called as UV rule in case of the differentiation. Then how you are going to find out the derivatives of y with respect to x if it is in this format? It is given by u as it is, the first function as it is, then you have to take the derivatives of v plus second function as it is into derivatives of the first function, that is du by dx. I hope you have understood this formula. This formula is called as UV rule in case of the differentiation. So to understand rule number 1 or the UV rule, let's consider a very simple example. So what is given? Y is equal to x square into x plus cos x. By looking at this particular example, you need to identify this example is related to rule number 1, that is y is equal to u dot v. So what is u in this case? U is equal to x square. What is v? V is equal to x plus cos x. So now we need to calculate, we have to find out derivatives of this particular term with respect to x. Dy by dx. We need to calculate dy by dx. So how you are going to calculate the derivatives of y with respect to x? By simply applying u dot v rule. So first write down the standard result u as it is into derivatives of v with respect to x plus v as it is into derivatives of u with respect to x. Now what is u in our case? The u is equal to x square. So you have to write x square as it is derivatives of v. So what is the value of v? You need to write x plus cos x. Similarly, then you have to put addition sign, v as it is x plus cos x as it is into derivatives of u, that is x square. Already we had studied standard formulas related to the derivatives. So what is the derivatives of x square? What is the derivatives of x plus cos x? Derivatives of x is 1 and derivatives of cos x is minus sin x, if you remember, plus v as it is into, what is the derivatives of x raised to n? X raised to n derivatives is what? N into x raised to n minus 1. In this case, n is equal to 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1, that is 1. So the final answer is this. I hope you have understood rule number 1 related to differentiation, or we can say that derivatives. So what is basically that rule? If u and v are differentiable function of x such that the given function is what? Y is equal to u dot v, then how you are going to find out the derivatives of that particular term? It is given by the formula dy upon dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. I hope you have understood u dot v rule related to derivatives. In next lecture, we'll solve more problem based on UV rule. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.